Good morning students. Today we discuss about 11th accountancy morning video. In this video we continue the same chapter, that is books of prime entry. In this chapter we already discussed about accounting equation approach and some of the example sums, example 1 and 2 we discussed in the previous online classes. How to prepare accounting equation. Some of the transaction will be given. Based upon the given transaction, how the business concern will prepare accounting equation. So in this morning video we discuss one more example sum in order to more understanding the preparation of a accounting equation. Here in this illustration 3, page number 37, Selvi is a dealer in furniture. Show the accounting equation for the following transaction. So in this problem they are asking to prepare accounting equation. Some transaction are given. So in order to prepare the accounting equation, the equation is asset is equal to capital plus a liability. So based upon this equation, first you can go through the transaction and find out how many column you have to open for preparation of accounting equation. Capital point of view, only one column in the right side, and liability point of view, if there is any creditor, that is credit supplier, you have to prepare creditor column. If there is any bills payable transaction, you have to maintain bills payable column. If there is any loan borrowed from bank, you should maintain bank column, that is bank loan column in the liability column based upon the given transaction. In the asset point of view, based upon the given transaction, you should find out how many asset column should be open. Generally cash column in asset side, cash column, stock column will be prepared, and bank, some of the asset, that is debtor, furniture, building, machinery, based upon the transaction you should prepare it. So in this illustration 3, started a business with the cash. So we are starting the business by using cash. So cash column should be open and capital column should be open. So each and every transaction should affect 2 column because of it is prepared based upon double entry system of bookkeeping. So 2 aspects should be recorded in each and every transaction. So cash column and a capital column. Deposited cash into bank. So both the columns should be in asset, cash column and a bank column. Cash column will be minus, bank column will be enter the amount, that is 60,000. Borrowed loan from bank. Here we are borrowed loan from bank. So in the liability side we should open a bank loan. Column should be open for a bank loan, and in asset side bank column should be enter. In right side liability column, bank column should be open, bank loan column should be open. Bought goods and paid by check. We are purchasing goods. Goods means stock. So stock column should be open. Paid by check means we are sending the amount, we are paying the amount through bank. So bank column should be minus. Stock column should be enter. Bank column should be minus. The amount will be 10,000. Cash withdrawn for personal use. For personal point of view, if any drawn, that should be adjusted in cash column and capital column. Cash drawings for personal use. So cash column minus, capital column will also be minus. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Here we are drawing amount for business purpose. So both the columns should be in asset side, cash column and bank column. Cash column should be add, the amount of 5,000 should be add, and in bank column the amount of 3,000. Cash withdrawn is 3,000. should be subtract in bank column. both the columns should be in the asset side. So generally in this sum, in asset side point of view, cash column, stock column, bank column, only 3 columns should be open. In the right side, capital column and then bank loan column. Instead of liability, bank loan column should be open. So these are the necessary columns should be open in this example sum. Let us see the solution. That is, in the case of solution, that is, first you should write in the books of Selvi the name of the proprietor, and then you can write accounting equation heading. Accounting equation heading should be written. Use both the side of your ruled accounts notebook, and then you can prepare the necessary column. Necessary column should be maintained. That is, first transaction column, one bigger column because you have to write the transaction, and then asset side point of view, cash column, stock column, bank column. 3 columns should be open for asset, and then capital column should be open. Instead of liability, bank loan column should be open. In the right side, 2 columns. In the left side, 3 columns should be open. But depends upon the column available in your ruled sum notebook, you can maintain it. One bigger column should be open for transaction. Then you can make a column to write the amount. Nearly 5 amount columns should be open. 3 asset column and 1 capital and bank loan column. Okay, so now let us see one by one. So first one is started business with the cash. Started a business with the cash. How much? 1 lakh. So cash column 1 lakh, capital column 1 lakh. Then make equation. After each and every transaction, you should make an equation. That is, left side is equal to right side. You have to check. So in the left side, total asset column will be 1 lakh. Then liability, that is left side, capital column should be 1 lakh. So equation is right. Then second transaction, deposit cash with the bank. We are paying cash to bank 60,000. First cash column you should subtract 60,000, and in bank column you can write 60,000. Again you can draw a line and you can adjust the amount. From 1 lakh minus 60,000, the net amount is 40,000. Stock column no amount is there, so simply leave it. Bank column 60,000, and then write the is equal to sign. Then capital column 1 lakh is there. Bank loan no need to write the amount because there is no amount. And then borrowed loan from bank, the amount will be 25,000. We are borrowing loan from bank, so bank column 25,000 should be added, and bank loan column 25,000 should be right. So while adjusting the equation, cash column 40,000, stock column no need, bank column already 60,000, now 25,000, the total amount is 85,000, and in capital column 1 lakh, bank loan column 25,000. Then bought goods and paid by check. We are purchasing goods for rupees 10,000 and amount will be paid through bank. So in stock column write 10,000, and in bank column minus 10,000 because we are paying the check. So while adjusting it, cash column 40,000, stock column 10,000, bank column from 85,000 minus 10,000, 75,000, capital column 1 lakh, bank loan column 25,000. While checking the accounting equation, you can add all the asset column. 75 plus 10, 85, 85 plus 40, 1 lakh 25. In the right side, capital 1 lakh, bank loan 25. Total in the two amount, the total amount will be 1 lakh 25,000. So right side also 1 lakh 25,000, left side also 1 lakh 25,000. Equation is right. So then and there you can check. After making the equation, you can check it whether left side is equal to right side or not. Then cash withdraw for personal use. We are drawing cash for personal use. So cash column should be minus. Capital column will also be minus 5,000. While adjusting it, from 40,000 subtract 5,000, net amount will be 35,000. Stock column same 10,000. Bank column 75,000. Capital column from 1 lakh minus 5,000, 95,000. Bank loan column 25,000. And then next transaction, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from a bank for office use. Here we are drawing amount for business purpose. So cash comes in. So in cash column you should add it 3,000. Cash drawn from bank. So bank column you should make minus 3,000. Then while adjusting it, the equation, cash column from 35,000 plus 30,000, sorry 3,000, the total will be 38,000. And then stock column 10,000, and then bank column from 75,000 minus 3,000, the net amount will be 72,000. In capital column 95,000, no change. In bank loan column 25,000. Now you can check it whether the equation is right or wrong. First add all the three amounts in the left side, 38, 10 and 72. While totaling it, the total amount will be 1,20,000. Total amount will be 1,20,000. In the right side, add capital amount and bank loan amount. Capital amounts are 95,000, bank loan amount 25,000. While adding these two amounts, the total amount would be 1,20,000. So now equation is right. Left side 1,20,000, right side 1,20,000. So likewise, you can prepare an accounting equation based upon the given transaction. First of all, you should understand how many columns should be open, and then you can prepare the accounting equation. While preparing the accounting equation, then and there you can check it whether left side is equal to right side or not. You can verify the answer yourself very easily. So in the next video, we can solve one more problem. Okay, thank you.